Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Calendly to webhooks. To get started, open Calendly and go to your event types area within the scheduling section. This is the part of Calendly where your available meeting types are managed, and it's the right place to begin when you want to connect additional tools or services. If you are already signed in, this should take you directly to the correct section. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Integrations and Apps. This area is where Calendly keeps its available connections, add-ons, and developer-related tools. If you don't immediately see the option, give the sidebar a quick scan and make sure you're still in the main Calendly app interface. After the integrations page opens, use the search field and type in webhook. This helps narrow down the available integrations so you can quickly find the webhook option without having to browse through everything manually. As you type, the relevant result should appear. When you see the webhook option, click on Get a Token Now. This step is important because webhooks usually require authorization before Calendly can send event data to another service. In other words, the token helps establish a secure connection between Calendly and the webhook setup you're working with. Next, click Continue. This will move you forward in the token creation or authorization flow. At this stage, Calendly may present additional prompts or confirmation screens depending on your account type, your current login status, or whether you've already set up similar connections before. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Since these screens can vary slightly, take your time and read each prompt carefully. Calendly will typically guide you through the remaining steps needed to authorize access and finish connecting to webhooks. If a screen asks you to review permissions or confirm access, make sure everything looks correct before proceeding. As a general tip, it's a good idea to complete the process in one sitting so you don't lose your place during setup. Also, if you're connecting Calendly to another platform, keep that destination ready in a separate tab in case you need to reference it during the final part of the connection process. And that's it. You've now walked through the process of finding the webhook integration in Calendly, starting the token setup, and continuing through the on-screen instructions to complete the connection.